Is the live stream worth doing? Is there any benefits of doing live stream? Why should I even come live? Is coming on live worth it? So in today's video, I'll be asking your questions. Should you do live streaming? Is live stream worth it? And how can I do live? Okay, please. If this is the video you love to watch, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Can't wait. Okay, so guys, straight up to the video. You can only start live streaming on YouTube when you have up to 50 subscribers. So the first procedure to streaming on YouTube is you have to have 50 subscribers. Now, I've had a lot of people asking live. Normally we know live streaming mostly is on TikTok because I didn't even know they live stream on YouTube. Yeah, I never knew that you can live stream on YouTube. So I thought it's only on TikTok. So guys, basically, I thought it's only on TikTok. So but when I started doing my researches, I discovered that you can stream on YouTube, and that is the best thing that will happen to you. So if you are wondering or you are saying, you're just thinking about, this live stream safe, let me just read it. Please, once you have up to 50 subscribers, come on live, stream, baby girl, stream. So my personal journey, my live stream has helped me. It has helped me grow my subscribers. It has helped me grow my watch hour. And most importantly, it used to give me money. Now, okay, live stream. How do you live stream? First of all, for you to live stream, just go to how I do my own. There are other methods of doing. You can use YouTube Studio dashboard and do yours, but sometimes I don't have the time and the energy to start going through the dashboard and studio. So I just come here on YouTube, go to that plus sign, that place you see post, live video and shorts here. Just go there, click on the live, then put a topic. The title of your live. You can use anything, but use something that will attract people. So sometimes what I use for my title is mostly, guess what? Mostly how to grow your subscribers. And in my live stream, I like, it's so interesting to see people from all walks of life coming to my live stream, supporting me, encouraging me. So basically, I will do that every time. So I use how to grow your subscriber as a title of the live stream. So now when they come into the live, they don't only see me, they're able to share their problem with me, the live stream problem, the challenges they are encountering in the live stream. And also at the end of the day, I am able to teach them how to grow their subscribers. So guys, isn't this amazing? Because something about somebody coming online to watch your video and somebody coming online and they're seeing you. They say that you're not fake, you're real. They say, hi, how are you doing? How was your day? You now say, what's up? Hello, you're welcome. Welcome to my live stream. Please, I would love to connect with you. It's beautiful. I feel live stream is one of the beautiful features in YouTube. Like, you get to connect with people real time. And you're able to build friendship. For me, I have 3 friends now on YouTube. I've not seen them before and they're very supportive. Whenever I drop a video, they go up, they watch my YouTube video, they watch it from beginning to end. They like my YouTube video, they share it and they subscribe to my channel. They even invite their friends to subscribe to my channel. That is how beautiful live streaming is. Now, even into your long videos, like when you've already created long videos, don't forget to do live streaming, because streaming is you now connecting with them on a one-on-one basis. Now, they don't just know you as per, your username. They know you, like, they can connect with you, and that will help you to build that relationship. Because YouTube is one of the platform. Let me see. So YouTube is this platform that has a global audience. So I started doing my live stream this last month, January. It's January 8th. I was when I started doing my live streaming. Guys, people will just come to my live stream. Different people from UK, US, Nigeria, different countries. Europe, Canada, they will call, say, hi, fine girl, I like you, blah, 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 blah. I'm watching your video, the video is so helpful, blah, blah, blah. And guys, as little as this thing is, do you know these people go back to my videos, they watch my videos, they watch my stuff. It's so helpful. So now, when you're live streaming, there are two things you can do. Use this button down that you say question and poll. So now I use the question and say, have you subscribed? And then the have you subscribed? If you just try it out, I'll say, have you subscribed to my channel? And anybody that comes to that video, once they view me, they will definitely subscribe to the channel. So isn't it amazing? They'll be able to connect with you, be able to like you, able to support you, and most importantly, they'll subscribe to your channel. This thing alone has helped to boost my watch hour. Okay, now, that is the number one. So another thing, benefit of live streaming is watch hour. Live stream can help you to increase your watch hour. Guys, don't play on live streaming. If you have the energy to come on live, if it starts with 20 minutes every day, sometimes I do mostly 1 hour, or when I have some issues, and I do 30 minutes. So but make sure you stream every day, because it helps you to connect with a lot of people. It helps you a whole lot of time. It helps you to build a very good brand. So imagine if you have a business, you sell a digital product. Now, when you keep on live streaming, you're able to attract global audience, quality audience that can buy your products. You get? So I imagine if tomorrow I'm going to sell a product very soon, and I run this project. A lot of people are buying because they know you, and they trust you. They've been able to connect with you already. So that's a very, 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 very great benefit of live streaming. Then thirdly, YouTube pays you for live streaming. The same way they pays you, YouTube itself pays you for live streaming. For instance, if you go on live now, let's say currently you go on live, and after like 1 hour, that is if you have reached the eligibility, YouTube start paying you if you have up to 3,000 watch hours. So wait, let me break it down. To be able to make money on live stream, there are two ways you can make money on live stream, like real money. Number one is YouTube paying you for live streaming, but the money is not always that reasonable. It's not a huge amount of money. Where the money is in your fan base. This is superstar. Yeah, superstar is where if you reach the eligibility, but for you to be able to receive money from your audience, I don't know whether you guys are understanding me. For you to be able to receive money from your audience, people that already like you when you are live streaming, you have to reach the eligibility requirement, which is 3,000 watch hour. Normally, for YouTube to pay you in general, you need 4,000 watch hours. But for live stream, for people to be able to gift you on your live stream, you need 3,000 watch hours. Am I able to communicate? So once you're able to reach your 3,000 watch hour, then people come into your live stream, they're able to gift you using that super chat. So that super chat is what they can use in whatever country they are, whatever location they are. Basically, that's what they can use to support you. So now you go to sorry guys, hold on. You go to, when you're live streaming, people, let me say for instance, you're live streaming and I come to your live and I want to gift you. I can be able to do it using that super chat and membership due. So people can actually subscribe to be a member of your channel. That is how live stream is necessary. Okay, so imagine if there are people on live fast, strangers are willing to help you more. So as I don't think you should be coming to YouTube because of the money alone. Coming if you want to be the genuine business, come to YouTube because they have global audience. Alright, so when you are live streaming, they come in, they support you. Some of them are willing to give you money, but that's not the goal. It can help you to reach a wider audience. Okay, so I think please guys, live stream is very important. So I hope with these 3 points of mine, I've been able to convince you that live stream is important. You just have to live stream. Come online and drop that beautiful video. Please, if this find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, because I'll be dropping lots of helpful videos that will help you to grow your channel. I love you.